Alrighty, guys, welcome back to day 7 of opening a Pokemon pack every day until we make $10,000 in profit. Today, we are going to be opening up the 3-card blister. Today is day 7. We're 1 week into the challenge. Above me right now is the total profit we have made versus how much we've pulled. But yeah, we're going to open up this 3-card blister. Mainly because I didn't have the promo inside. I really wanted that promo. I have the other one, I just didn't have this one. So we got 1, 2, pull this out. We have 3 packs, and we will grab that promo card. Put that all to the side. So there is the promo that we pulled. Put that over there. Now we have the 3 packs of Black Bolt. Let's open these up. I've also got a microphone on to make it a little bit easier to hear me. Oh, we got a Hollow Water Energy. Please, we need something, a big hitter. Oof, nothing in the first pack. That's right, 2 more packs. 2 more. Give me some heat. That's what we're after. We need a God pack, please. No God pack. It is very sunny out right now. What's that? Pokeball. Very nice. Oh, okay. Got a Pokeball. Pokeball, nice. Right, last pack. Here we go. Give us the Victini or the Zerok. Is it Zerok in this one? Yeah, Zerok. That one just fell down. Come on. Come on. There we go. Full art. And we will take that. 1 Pokeball, 1 full art. And we got the promo. Awesome. There we go. We got a hit.